Welcome to World History 1900 to present. This video is the official course introduction and will outline what you should expect going forward. In this course, we will study the history of the 20th and 21st centuries from a rightist perspective. It is sadly the case that in modern societies, professors, textbooks, and university curricula approach history with an anti-European and anti-white animus. The purpose of high school and university level courses is not to educate students in any meaningful way, it is instead to program young minds with a hatred for Western civilization and a zeal for left-wing politics. This is why parents may send their sons and daughters to college only to get them back 6 months later with blue hair, nose rings, and a proclivity to call their parents evil, racist oppressors. My course does not share this objective. As we venture into history throughout this course, we will throw back the curtain, revealing not only what has been left out of history textbooks by Marxist professors, but also what historical events have been distorted or outright fabricated. We will also confront leftist myths and narratives about history and deconstruct them, using Derrida's own technique against his ilk. Upon learning the true history of the West, you will find that Europe and America are not irredeemably racist and deserving of punishment as the left claims them to be, but rather, Western civilization has a noble yet tragic history which has been maligned and besmirched by those in positions of power. The course will consist of 11 modules and will span upwards of 100 lectures. In order, these modules are: Module 1, 1900 to 1914. Module 2, World War I. Module 3, the interwar period. Module 4, World War II. Module 5, post-war aftermath. Module 6, the 1950s. Module 7, the 1960s. Module 8, the 1970s. Module 9, the 1980s. Module 10, the 1990s. Module 11, the 21st century. Throughout the course, we will focus on, among other things, building a right-wing historiography and the JQ. Historiography is the writing or telling of history in such a way that an overarching meta-narrative of history is synthesized. It is done with a strong ideological bent and connects different events throughout the course of history within a common framework. Both Julius Evola and Carl Schmitt agreed that the right did not have a historiography after 1945. In this course, we will pay special attention to building one that is reflective of right-wing values and is capable of combating the lefts. As for the JQ, little elaboration is needed here. We will address who are the chief agents of subversion and what they did to shape society into the way it currently is. As one might expect, some topics are unfortunately ban-worthy on YouTube. But even though Raja Mohan tries to get people to shy away from topics, a true historian does not shy away from anything. That is why for these videos, I will have to upload them on either Substack or Odyssey. I will make it very clear when I do this, as I will skip the lecture number in the course playlist, and I will make sure to announce what I skip at the beginning of the next video. This concludes the brief introduction to Sigmar Academy, World History 1900 to present. I hope to see all of you in Lecture 1 as we begin Module 1. With that said, be sure to subscribe and click the bell button, because YouTube is very hostile to promoting right-wing content. I appreciate all the support and hope to see you all in the next lecture.